Hi, this is Erin from Bridgeville and South Fayette Township Libraries. Today we are going to make a piece of silhouette canvas art. Let's see what we'll need for this activity. So there are a couple of different ways that you can do this craft. The first is to use some painter's tape and mark out some geometric shapes on your canvas. The second, which is what we'll do today, is to use a cutting machine like a Silhouette or a Cricut and cut a shape on there using removable vinyl. And I've done that and applied it to my canvas. So the next step is to paint using acrylic paint. And I want to make sure that I actually cover my shape completely. So I'll go ahead and do that now. So I went ahead and added paint to my canvas, and you can see where the removable vinyl was. When I was done, I went ahead and peeled it off, and you can see the shape that was underneath. And I am done now. So that's all there is to it. Thank you for tuning in, and have a great day, everyone.